Hi student, I am p.paramasivam, assistant professor in Muttayamal Engineering College. This is lecture 2. Already lecture 1 I explained about the depreciation, various methods of depreciation, straight line method of depreciation, and two solved problem I have explained in lecture 1. Now we are going to see about the declining balance method of depreciation. In this method, a fixed percentage is used to calculate the depreciation value and book value for particular year. In this method, we are going to calculate depreciation value means a fixed percentage is multiplying into previous year book value. Finally, we get depreciation value at particular year. This the formula is used for calculate the depreciation and book value of every year. Here P is the fixed cost of the asset, F equal to salvage value of the asset, N equal to life of the asset, BT equal to book value of the asset, K is a fixed percentage and DT equal to depreciation amount. Now we are going to solve a problem. A company has purchased an equipment whose first cost is rupees 1 lakh with an estimated life of 8 years. The estimated salvage value of the equipment at the end of its lifetime is rupees 20,000. Demonstrate the calculation of the declining balance method of depreciation by assuming 0.2 for K. Here K is the fixed percentage. Solution. The initial cost of the equipment capital P equal to rupees 1 lakh. The salvage value equal to rupees 20,000. The life of the equipment N equal to 8 years. Fixed percentage K equal to 0.2, that is 20%. Here we are going to solve first year depreciation value and book value. The formula for depreciation value is mentioned in the slide. The suitable value substitute to the formula T1 equal to 0.2 into 1 lakh. The 1 lakh is the initial cost of the equipment, that is 0th year of book value. Finally we get depreciation amount D1 equal to rupees 20,000. The first year book value, the formula of the book value BT equal to BT minus 1 minus DT. The suitable value substitute to the formula. Finally we get first year book value B1 equal to rupees 80,000. Likewise, second year also we going to calculate book value and depreciation amount. Already we know formula for the depreciation. The suitable value substitute to the formula D2 equal to 0.2 into 80,000. 80,000 is the previous year book value, that is first year book value. Finally we get second year depreciation value is rupees 16,000. The second year book value formula is BT equal to BT minus 1 minus DT. The value is substitute to the formula B2 equal to 80,000 minus 16,000. Here we get second year book value equal to rupees 64,000. Here in the table, year wise depreciation value and book value mentioned in the table. The top of the table is end of year depreciation value, book value. In the first column, the number of year is to be mentioned 0 to 8th year. Second column is the depreciation value. Every year depreciation value is mentioned at the second column. And third column is the book value of the every year. In the 0th year, the initial cost of the equipment, that is book value of 0th year is 1 lakh. In 0th year there is no depreciation. And first year already we calculated the value. The depreciation of first year is 20,000. And book value of first year is 80,000. And second year also we calculated. The depreciation value of second year is 16,000 and book value of second year is 64,000. Every year depreciation value and book value is calculated through the suitable formula. Finally, in the 8th year we get depreciation value is 4,194.30 and book value is 16,771. Already we know that in straight line method the every year depreciation amount is equal. In the decline balance method, the salvage value is not equal to book value. For example, in this problem, The salvage value is rupees 20,000. But in the end of the year, the book value is 16,772. In this declining balance method, book value of last year is not suitable to salvage value. This is the next problem. Consider previous problem and calculate the depreciation and the book value for period 5 using the declining balance method of depreciation by assuming 0.2 for K. Solution. Capital P equal to rupees 1 lakh, salvage value F equal to rupees 20,000, N equal to 8 years, and fixed percentage K equal to 0.2. In previous problem, we are going to solve every year depreciation value and book value. But in this problem, only 5th year depreciation and book value is going to calculate. The suitable formula is given in the slide. dt equal to k 1 minus k power t minus 1 into p. The suitable value is substituted to the formula. Finally, we get 5th year depreciation value d5 equal to rupees 8,192. And also book value formula is mentioned in the slide. bt equal to 1 minus k power t into p. The suitable value substitute to the formula. Finally, we get 5th year book value b5 equal to rupees 32,768. The next one is the sum of year digits method of depreciation. This is the third method. In this method of depreciation, sum of years is used to calculate the depreciation value and book value. Here, first you are going to calculate sum of years. For example, you consider the equipment. The life of the equipment is 8 years. Here, we are going to calculate sum of years. In this slide, the sum of years equal to that life of the equipment is going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 8. Finally, we get sum of years equal to 36. The another formula for sum of year calculation, n equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. In the formula for sum of year digit method is shown in the slide. dt equal to rate into p minus f. Rate is the rate of depreciation that is mentioned in the middle of the slide. The rate of the depreciation for the year 1 to 8 respectively are as follows: 8 divided by 36, 7 divided by 36. Likewise, in last 1 divided by 36. And also book value bt equal to bt minus 1 minus dt. Here we are going to solve a problem of sum of year digit method. Already we know the problem. A company is going to plan purchase a equipment rupees 1 lakh. That is the first cost of the equipment. P equal to rupees 1 lakh. And salvage value of the equipment F equal to 20,000. And life of the equipment N equal to 8 years. Now we are going to solve the problem. First we should calculate the sum of year. Already we know the formula. Sum of year equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. N is the life of the equipment, that is 8. Finally we get sum of year value, that is 36. And again the rate of depreciation is going to write, that is 8 divided by 36, 7 divided by 36. Likewise, and finally 1 divided by 36. Already we know the formula for depreciation and book value in sum of year digit method is dt equal to rate into p minus f, and book value bt equal to bt minus 1 minus dt. Now we are going to solve the first year depreciation value and book value. In first year depreciation value, we know the formula rate into p minus f. The suitable value is substitute to the formula. In the first year, d1 equal to the rate means first 8 divided by 36. That value is put in the formula. 8 divided by 36 into 1 lakh minus 20,000. Here finally we get a depreciation value d1 equal to rupees 17,777.77. And book value of the first year is bt equal to bt minus 1 minus dt. b1 equal to 1 lakh minus 17,777.77. Finally we get first year book value equal to rupees 82,222.23. Again, we are going to calculate second year depreciation value. We know the formula dt equal to rate into p minus f. In second year, we are going to substitute the value rate of depreciation is 7 divided by 36. Likewise, for example, we are going to calculate in third year means the rate of depreciation is 6 divided by 36. Likewise, you may write. Okay. Here, the suitable value substitute to the formula d2 equal to 7 divided by 36 into 1 lakh minus 20,000. Finally, we get depreciation value in last year. Sorry, second year d2 equal to rupees 15,555. In second year book value is we can calculate through the formula b2 equal to 66,666.68. Likewise, every year book value and depreciation value is calculated through the suitable formula and rate of depreciation substitute in correct way. In this table is as usual mentioned in the end of year depreciation book value. Likewise, in the first column number of years is going to mention 0 to 8th year, and the second column depreciation value, and the third column is the book value. In the 0th year, the book value of the equipment is 1 lakh. In first year, already we calculated the depreciation value is 17,777.7. That value we put in the table, and first year book value also we calculated, that is 82,222.23. That value is mentioned in the table. Likewise, second year depreciation value is 15,555.55, and second year book value 66,666.68. Likewise, every year depreciation value and book value is going to solve as usual formula, used formula. In the final year, 8th year, the depreciation value is 2,222.22 and book value is 20,000.04. This is the another problem for sum of year digit method. Consider previous problem and find the depreciation and book value for the fifth year using the sum of year digits method of depreciation. Solution. The initial cost of the equipment is 1 lakh and the salvage value F is 20,000 and number of years life of the equipment N equal to 8 years. The formula used for calculate depreciation value is mentioned in the slide. dt equal to n minus t plus 1 divided by n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into p minus f. The suitable value substitute to the formula, and finally we get fifth year depreciation value is 8,888.88. Likewise, and book value formula is mentioned in the slide. bt equal to p minus f n minus t divided by n into n minus t plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus f. Here also suitable value substitute to the formula, and finally we get fifth year book value is rupees 33,333. In previous problem, we are going to solve year by year depreciation value is calculated, but in this problem directly we are going to fifth year depreciation value and book value is calculated. Okay students, remaining fifth method of depreciation and other topics we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, thank you.